Hi, I'm Mona from Scholarly. We help smart companies around the world by growing their products and services and scale their business online. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to change stage names in Zoho CRM. You go to the settings area and you want to focus on the customization. So within customization, we're going to click modules and fields. And what's going to pop up is a bunch of your modules. And since we're looking at the deal modules and the stages and the deals, so we're going to click that. And then you might have different layouts, but if you're new to Zoho, they'll just be the standard one. You just want to hit standard, and so it comes to this editor here. It can do a lot of things. You want to go to the stage field here, and then you're gonna hit these three dots here. So let's do that. What's gonna pop up is a bunch of different options here, and it's not gonna be obvious right away. The one you're gonna want to hit is stage probability mapping. Then what's gonna pop up is all of your stages. So this is where we wanted to get to. And so in here, you can do a couple of things. You can remove certain stages, and you can add new stages. So maybe you could say deal qualified by manager. Maybe there's an extra stage in there and you can add it in. The next part here is your probability. It really depends on your organization if you're gonna use it, but really this allows Zoho to maybe predict your expected revenue. That's the idea of this probability here. The next ones here is forecast type. This is based on if the deal is open, if it's won, or if it's lost. And for this one, we're going to say it's probably open. A lot of them you can see here open. And then the forecast category is this currently in the pipeline. So now that's created. That's perfect. We'll just hit done and save up here. It says where this has been successfully updated. And then if I quickly jump over to deals, here let's create a new deal. If I look at my stages, now I have this new stage that's available to me. Let's quickly just put in a deal name and deal. Here the account and just create a new account. And account. And so I'll hit save again. And so now you can see all these stages here. And here's that new one that we recently added. And that needs analysis one no longer exists. And so that's how you can add those stages. So yeah, try it out and let us know how it works. Share this with your team if you find it useful. Like this video and subscribe for more Zoho related tips.